Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. What I'd like to do is talk about the equity markets. Equity market uptrend continues pretty much since February 11th. Equities have been moving very strong. And we talked about last week how we had some resistance on the S&P 500 at 1950 level. We broke through there. And S&P right now is struggling with its next level, right at about 2,000. Last Friday we closed at 1999, just slightly right below it. So we might digest those gains, move a little sideways, perhaps get over it. That's to be seen. On the NASDAQ, similar situation. NASDAQ continues higher, straggling around that 4,700 level. Next resistance might be at 4,800 level. But whatever, as long as the S&P stays above that 1950 and NASDAQ stays above that 4,600 level, the uptrend's pretty much intact. Now, some of the bad things about this uptrend is the market's still led by defensive industry groups like utilities, REITs, food sectors. So you want to see some growth sectors come in play. And actually, we're seeing a little bit of stalling in the large cap technology stocks. Facebook is near its highs, but having a little trouble pushing forward. Same with Google and Amazon. Apple's trying to work its way off the bottom. So you want to see some improvement there. But one area where we do see some improvement is the small caps. And one small cap growth sector where we do see is the small cap semiconductor stocks making some pretty good gains. So one stock that we're picking up last week was MXL. The symbol is MXL. Basically went past a double bottom buy point right at about 61.29, and last Friday tried to get above the 1775 area, which was a resistance area, and it closed right below that. But that's also another pivot point, so that's something you might want to take a look at if the trade suits you. Now, another stock that's right at the pivot point this morning is MACOM Technologies. That symbol is MTSI. Basically, it's above a 41.32 pivot point of a double bottom base. And let's see if we can get through that 43.19, which is the top of the cup that it's in. Basically, it tried to break out in end of December. That's when it hit that 43.19, corrected with the market, but held up better than most stocks, and its relative straight line's moving well. And it's also worth noting that the last 5 quarters, they've had double-digit sales growth, double-digit earnings growth. Estimates for 2016 are at 52% increase in earnings, and for 2017, 36% increase in earnings. Mutual funds continue to accumulate the shares. It is a small cap stock, a little bit more volatile. So again, consult your financial advisor if any of these trades are for you. So in summary, the uptrend continues. We're going to run into a little resistance along the line. Nothing goes straight up. So just keep your eye on those levels, and then you might want to start looking at small cap space and see if any of those trades fit your risk profile. So as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.